I absolutely love this bag. There's so many pockets. Of course, you have your pockets for your waters. There's this one here. It's pretty deep. Like, and there's this one. Look at all this space. Like, there's so much storage. There's this pocket. And this one is like, oh, like that's half my arm. I don't know what you would put down in there, but it's still a pocket storage. It's all it's about. You even have this, the laptop holder. I'm gonna get to this in a second because this is fabulous. This is for a battery pack. Got here your laptop. It tells you your tablet. You have so much space. So as I was saying, with the wire battery, you can charge something in here. If you need it to be charged, you can have your battery pack out here plugged in. It goes into this and you plug it into whatever needs to be charged. How amazing is that? That is, like, that's fabulous. And then on top of that, so you going on a trip, right? You see that, you know how it's sometimes annoying carrying that backpack?
So this is the backpack. I haven't put all of my stuff in there, but I just wanted to compare it to my old one. It's very popular on Amazon. Love Book. This is my old one. Very, very spacious, but my strap is getting really old on it. So I needed a replacement for it. Yeah, it was getting really bad. So, yeah, this one. My laptop is in it well too. There aren't any pockets right here, which I miss. But it's still pretty good. It has a lot of pockets on the inside. Like different levels and stuff like that. So it's good. And my 32-ounce water bottle fits on the side. And yeah, it comes with little things to put like a pencil or pen and things. I wish I had something similar to my old bag. It has this, like this pocket right here. And